In late December 2024, astronomers discovered a near-Earth asteroid designated 2024 YR4, which quickly became a focal point for planetary defence experts due to its potential to collide with our planet in 2032. Initially, the probability of impact was estimated at 1.3%, but recent observations have increased this chance to 2.3%. While this rise may seem alarming, experts emphasise that the likelihood of a collision remains low, with a 97% chance that this asteroid will safely pass by the Earth. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was first detected on December the 27th, 2024 by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Chile, which is a NASA-funded program designed to identify potentially hazardous asteroids. Early calculations suggested a 1.3% chance of impact on December the 22nd, 2032, placing it at level 3 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which indicates a close encounter meriting attention but not posing a significant threat. The asteroid is estimated at 900 metres in diameter. This is a size comparable to the Tunguska asteroid, which caused significant localised damage in Siberia in 1908. The increase in the impact probability from 1.3% to 2.3% is a result of ongoing observations and the inherent uncertainties in tracking newly discovered asteroids. When an asteroid is first detected, its orbit is calculated based on limited data, leading to a wide range of possible trajectories. This uncertainty is represented by a line of variation. This is a narrow plane of possible orbits that could intersect with planet Earth. As more observations are made, the uncertainty narrows, but initial updates often show an increase of impact probability before eventually decreasing to zero. David Rankin, an asteroid hunter involved in tracking 2024 YR4, explained that the asteroid's current trajectory passes close to planet Earth, making small uncertainties in its position more significant. He likened this to holding a long stick. A tiny movement at one end can cause a large shift at the other. These uncertainties arise from minor errors in timing and positional measurements, which are unavoidable with current telescopic technology. To reduce the uncertainties, astronomers are using powerful telescopes, such as the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope in Chile, and they're using this to gather more data. Additionally, efforts are underway to pre-cover the asteroid, meaning searching archival data for earlier observations that could extend the observational arc and improve trajectory predictions. If successful, this could dramatically reduce the uncertainty and potentially rule out another impact scenario. NASA and the European Space Agency are coordinating through the International Asteroid Warning Network and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group. They're doing this to monitor the asteroid and plan potential mitigation strategies if necessary. However, experts stress that it is too early to consider active measures, as the probability of impact is expected to decrease with further observations. Despite the increased probability, the chance of 2024 YR4 hitting our planet remains low. Historical trends show that most asteroids initially flagged as risks are eventually ruled out as non-threats. Asteroid Apophis, for example, which once had a 3% chance of impact, was later determined to only be coming within 20,000 miles or less of our planet's surface. And the Apophis encounter is going to take place on Friday, April the 13th, in the year 2029. Moreover, even if the asteroid were to impact Earth, its size would likely cause localised rather than global devastation. The potential damage would depend on factors such as its composition and entry angle, but it would not be catastrophic on a global scale. The rise in the impact probability of asteroid 2024 YR4 from 1.3% to 2.3% reflects the complexities of tracking near-Earth objects and the iterative nature of scientific observation. While this increase may seem concerning, it is a normal part of the process as astronomers refine their understanding of this asteroid's trajectory. With continued observation and advancements in technology, the probability is expected to decrease, ultimately ensuring that Earth remains safe from this celestial visitor. As experts have repeatedly emphasised, there is no need to panic. Science and the international collaboration are well equipped to handle such challenges. Or so they'd have us believe. It has been in the papers this week that the potential use of a nuclear bomb to destroy this asteroid will be used. Do we currently have the means to stop such an asteroid were it on a collision course with our planet? The only possible means of delivering enough energy to deflect a destroyer would be the use of a nuclear weapon, and there wouldn't be any need to drill a hole in the asteroid and blow it up from within. The idea would be to detonate the nuke close by the asteroid, causing some of its mass to vaporise and pushing it just slightly off track, such that months or years later it would miss us. There is currently a 1 in 43 chance that this asteroid will strike the surface of our planet, and it will do so in the year 2032. And a carefully executed explosion close to the surface of this asteroid would be carried out with hopes that the rock shatters into smaller fragments, which would then burn up into Earth's atmosphere. However, larger chunks could still be enough to survive the atmosphere and rain down over a large area of our planet. Another nuclear option would be to detonate the nuclear weapon further away from the asteroid, with the idea that the explosion would damage the surface of the rock and knock it off course. If carried out correctly, there would be minimal damage to the asteroid and therefore no risk of chunks of space rock falling to planet Earth. Although this option appears to be a last resort. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is currently hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour, 27 million miles away from our planet, and will be carefully observed by astronomers, especially when it nears our planet in the year 2028. But what do you guys think about this? Comments below, and thank you for watching.